Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'm going to talk about Gamegala app. I'm gonna how you can make money, how to join, what kind of task, how to join lives for you to make extra more income. So let's dive into the video. If you're new, my name is Cynthia. On this channel I do tutorials on how to make money, and we also have our WhatsApp group having over 500 people, so you can also join us. I'm going to put the link on the comment section. And something funny guys, this channel is really restricted. Even putting links is a problem, so I first comment. After commenting is when I put the links on the under that comment. So if you're watching the video, make sure you watch until the end. After that, go to the comment section and check the comments under my first comment or other people's comments, okay? Because if I put the link, they hide it. So I don't know why. They've been frustrating this channel. That is why I normally use the other channel, but sometimes I miss this channel, and I think like many people are missing out. Okay, so the name of the app is Gamegala. Okay, so you can see here I'm having around okay, let me show you. I'm having around 3,759,000 coins and 52,935 games. So these games I can actually change them into cash or change them into coins. Okay, so these coins you use them in the app itself to do the video. To send gifts, to play games, to win more games. And again, another way is by bringing in people. So let me show you here. So this is one of the games that you can play. You can see daily income from the game, the price of games, and monthly uh, um, ranking, right? You can see. So you just play the game. I know there are people who know how to play this game than me, so if you're good at it, you can go for it. We have different games, of course. So if you go here, you'll be able to see different charts were coming in, and again you have different things going on here. You can see my wallet. I'm having around 340 friends. Okay, I've been on this app for over since 2022 guys. If you watch the other video I posted in the other channel, you saw that I joined and I started withdrawing from 2022. So even this video I'm gonna show you that, so you can see what I'm having in games and what I'm having in coins. You can see here we have pop-ups where people are being shown how much they have withdrawn. Guys, I'm telling you, these are real, and if you withdraw, you'll be able to see yourself down here, okay, with the amount that you have withdrawn plus the minutes. Okay, so I've withdrawn more than, I think, more than 20 times or 20 something or 30 something on this app. I'm gonna show you. I don't want to say things you think is fake. So more ways of earning. You can play games. You can see PK game. You can also invite your friends. If you share with your friend links, you see, invite a user, you get 10,000 coins, and 10,000 games, and 10,000 game is equal to $1. Wow, so this is the easiest and the sweetest part of it, guys. If you join, you'll be able to see those who have done their verification, those who have not, they are still processing. So you just click on copy or share. So you're gonna click on copy. So this is it. Invite friends with your referral link. Reward depends on the quality of your invitees. The higher the quality, the higher the everything. So you can see down there, it is worldwide everything. Rewards are issued after verification. So after the person who registered under your link has verified their faces, of course you verify your faces when you can even go live. Okay, so after that you will be able, you can also see the people who are joining. You can see here people are joining. So please, if you're watching me, this is money you can withdraw as long as you have reached $10. Okay, so I've made several videos from last 2022 up to 2023. I made videos on my channel, how to join, how to withdraw, everything. I've made several videos, over 5 videos about this Gamegala app, and guys, I've shown you, and I was recording videos even while doing live withdrawals. If you check this channel well and search for Gamegala, videos I've done. You will be able to see even live withdrawals. I've done live withdrawals while doing videos, and the best thing is that it is something you can withdraw immediately. The minimum withdrawal is $10. So you can see, you just copy link, then it is copied, then you go share it with your friends, your mommy, your daddy. So if you want to withdraw, you just click on this, then you will be able to see amount you are having in. So 10,000 games is equal to $1. So if you want to withdraw, you have to be having at least $10. Okay, so if you click on withdraw, you'll be able to see withdraw the total amount you're having. I'm having just $5. I still need more, like $5 to withdraw again. So I'll be doing a video while doing this next withdrawal, okay? And I know that's gonna be soon. So I'm gonna show you some of the history records, okay? I want to show you. Okay, so guys, if you want to withdraw, if for the first time they're gonna tell you to bind your account because you are new, but for me, my account is already bound and it is there active. Okay, so I can even show you the other side. I'm having, okay, before this this Met wallet, it used to be Haripay account, so they changed Haripay into Met wallet. It is the same Alipay that was updated or upgraded to Met wallet. So if you ever joined before, then you can still use the same method or change. I'm going to show you the methods that they use. Even the other side I'm having, because before they were putting different limits. These years since I joined, there were times they were allowing people to withdraw $1. There were times they were you were able to withdraw $3, $10, then again $5. Then they returned it to $1. They even reduced 10,000 registration and promotion into 100 coins or games. So they keep on changing each and every time. So if you are lucky to see this video, this is the best time to make some cash out of this thing. So join as early as now as you see the video. Join. If you have any question, reach out. I will help. Join our WhatsApp group. We have many people in there, so that is where you can even inbox me directly as an admin. You just inbox me. I'll be able to help out if it is something that I can help. So guys, let me show you something. So guys, this is my withdrawal history. You can see, so I've been dormant since 2025 or 2024. I haven't done much on this app. So it is when I just discovered that they have come back and they're still paying back. So let us go to 2022. I think that is when I joined. I don't know which month, but I want to see my withdrawal. So you can see the ones which were failing. You can see the last one I withdrew was 2023 November. You can see this. It was successful. $1, $3, $5, then $5, $10. This one failed. I think I wasn't doing the right thing. These people, they keep on coming with different things. You can see those ones successful, failed. List is long. Success, $1 success. So I told you that they keep on changing. So if you get this opportunity as early as now, make sure you join. So the first time I withdrew was 2022 August. Okay, I withdrew $5. So guys, this opportunity is for you and me. You don't pay anything. Okay, join as early as now. So let me tell you how to bind. Okay, I may not show you how to bind, but if you go to this channel, you'll be able to see how to join Gamegala or how to bind your account. I did a video about that. You can search it on my channel, this very channel. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the other side of Met Wallet after you have drawn it from Gamegala, what you're supposed to do. Okay, so let's go there, guys. So guys, if you click on that arrow, it will bring you here. If you don't have account, you have to create and bind it. After that, you can click on cash out, and the thing is, you can only cash out after you have $10. Okay, so complete the wallet account information to obtain more withdrawal qualifications. If you basic level, you are only allowed to withdraw $50 per day. If you get a semi-verified, you can withdraw up to 5,000 per day. If so, me, I've done up to the second one. I've not done the fully verification, the one which I'm about to. I can withdraw as even $10,000 per day. So guys, in this same very app, like in this very app, you can make up to $100 in a day. Why am I saying so? If you can manage to refer 10 verified, not 10 but 100 verified people, 100 times 1, that is $100 in a day. If you can do that, you can make a lot of money. Okay, so it is free opportunity, anyone can join. You can make money here, guys. So make sure you join as early as you watch the video. You can see my history, transaction history on this side too. I've managed to withdraw money here, guys. I've withdrawn, I've withdrawn, I've withdrawn, I've withdrawn, I've withdrawn, I've withdrawn. So guys, if you are here watching this video, you can too, okay? So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you're gonna love this video. I hope you're gonna subscribe if you haven't. I hope you're going to put on the notification bell for future videos. I hope you're gonna share with your friend this video to put them through or to make them learn something before joining. Okay, it is free. Share it with your friends who want to join under you so that they don't disturb you with many questions, and let them join our WhatsApp group. If you want the link, you can comment. The link of WhatsApp group is there, but if you want to share with your friend, you can just inbox me. I'll share it with you. So guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next video or the other side. So thank you so much, guys. I think another video is dropping soon. Today I just want to put almost 5 videos here. So if you are active, take these things seriously and make something out of them. So see you guys.